think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be the fourth video of our Navratri series. And if you are new here and if you don't know what is Navratri series, then make sure to check out the first video of the Navratri series and then you'll get to know everything about this Navratri series. So I'll make sure to link the first video of the Navratri series here in the I button, so make sure to check it out. So today's video is going to be Devi Kushmanda inspired makeup look and tutorial. So Devi Kushmanda is worshipped on the fourth day of Navratri and she is said to be credited with the power of creating the entire universe with just one thing, which is her smile. So you can just imagine how beautiful and how powerful her smile could be. And also Devi Kushmanda's sari color is royal blue color, which is a very beautiful color, and she is 8-armed, which means she has 8 arms, and she has different kinds of weapons and accessories in her hands, which is very beautiful and elegant. So you can imagine Devi Kushmanda's look. So we'll keep all of these things in our mind and we'll create this look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First off, I'll be starting with priming my face using this Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer. And now I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So I'll quickly blend the foundation and then come back. So now I'll be using the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer to conceal around my eyes. So you guys can see I'm done filling my eyebrows. Now I'll be using a concealer to clean out my eyebrow edges. And now I'll be using this flat fluffy brush to blend the concealer around my eyebrows. You guys can see I'm done cleaning out this eyebrow. Now I'll do the same to this eyebrow and then come back. So you guys can see I'm done doing both my eyebrows. Now let's move on to the eye makeup. For today's eye makeup, I'll be using the You Can Be Spotlight 40 colored eyeshadow palette. I'll be starting off by blending this shadow in my crease. Now I'll be mixing both of these maroon and brown shades and I'll be applying it in my outer corner. And now I'll be picking up this golden shimmer shadow over here, and I'll be placing it near my inner corner, and I'll be using my finger only. Now I've picked up the same maroon and brown shadows again, and I'll be blending it out over here a little bit. Now you guys can see I've created this golden to maroon, kind of transition type of eye makeup, and now I'll be doing the same to this eye and then come back. Application. So you guys can see I'm done with this eye too. Now let's move on to eyeliner. Now I'll be using this Miss Ads eyeliner for today's eyeliner. Now you guys can see I'm done with this eyeliner, so I'll be doing the same to this eye and then come back. So I'm done with eyeliner. Now I'll be applying mascara and eyelashes off camera and then I'll come back. Now you guys can see I'm done applying the kajal, mascara and eyelashes. Now let's move on to the rest of the base makeup. For my blush, as usual, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 palette, and I'll be using the same pink shade. Guys, I literally forgot to set my face using a loose powder, so let me do that first. So I'll be using this Lakme Rose powder to set my face. I'll be using this slightly angled brush to contour my nose. Now I'll be using this flat fluffy brush to highlight my face.
That's good.
So you guys can see we are almost done with our base makeup. Now we need to apply a lipstick. Lipstick, I'll be mixing 2 shades today in the shade Secret Chase. And the second one is going to be the Maybelline Red lipstick. So you guys can see I'm done outlining my lips. Now let's move on to lipstick. My upper lips, I'll be using this Maybelline Red lipstick. And now to the bottom lip, I'll be using this Color Bar lipstick in the shade Secret Chase. makeup. Now let's fix it using the Good Vibes Rose Hip Skin Clarifying Toner. So we are done with the makeup. Now I'll be showing you guys the saree, the blouse, the jewelry and the other accessories that I'm going to be using in today's video.
सूर्यसम्पूर्णकलशं रुधिराप्लुतमेव च दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्यां कूष्माण्डा शुभदास्तु मे। सूर्यसम्पूर्णकलशं रुधिराप्लुतमेव च दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्यां कूष्माण्डा शुभदास्तु मे। सूर्यसम्पूर्णकलशं रुधिराप्लुतमेव च दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्यां कूष्माण्डा शुभदास्तु मे। कूष्माण्डाय नमः। ॐ देवी 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 कूष्माण्डाय नमः। ॐ कूष्माण्डाय नमः। ॐ देवी कूष्माण्डाय नमः। ॐ देवी कूष्माण्डाय नमः। ॐ देवी कूष्माण्डाय नमः। ॐ देवी कूष्माण्डाय नमः। सूर्यसम्पूर्णकलशं रुधिराप्लुतमेव च दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्यां कूष्माण्डा शुभदास्तु मे। सूर्यसम्पूर्णकलशं रुधिराप्लुतमेव च दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्यां कूष्माण्डा सुभदास्तु मे सूर्यसम्पूर्णकलशं रुधिराप्लुतमेव च दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्यां कूष्माण्डा सुभदास्तु मे। ॐ देवी कूष्माण्डाय नमः। 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 सूर्यसम्पूर्णकलशं रुधिराप्लुतमेव च दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्यां कूष्माण्डा सुभदास्तु मे सूर्यसम्पूर्णकलशं रुधिराप्लुत